Hello underwater friends! In this video we're gonna do the final review of the Flip 7 for the GoPro Hero 7. I'm Jérôme Renogou, French underwater videographer, and in this channel we'll do underwater videos as well as underwater photo and video tutorials. First of all, it's quite easy to install. You have this little piece, it's aluminum, it seems to be a very good quality, and they even supply the Allen key. So in my case, for the GoPro Hero 7, you just place the small adapter in front, and then you put the Flip 7 and you just screw it like so in place. You see, it took me 1 second, and when you close the flip, it's nice and tight, so it works really well. The aluminum here is robust, even after a few months of use. There is no problem, it's still nice and strong, so no problem whatsoever. The flip mechanism is very nice. Actually, you can place the filter outside like this and it stays there, it doesn't move at all. Or you can place it right in position and it's nice and tight. Very good engineering on this one and good quality. You can even put it backwards like this and it will also hold. So you have 3 different positions which are quite good. In the water review. So I've already done an in the water review, actually called The Effect of the Flip 7. You can watch the video and see the video I've done at the Liberty Wreck with all of the changes and switching between with and without filters. In this video, I've checked the 20-50 filter as well as the 50+. We're talking feet actually. As you can see at 7 meters, the skin tone is much nicer with the filter. Same thing at 16. When we take out the filter, it becomes all blue, and actually even the background is greenish blue. 23 meters also, we get back lots of colors on the clownfish. 20 meters, you can see an improvement in the colors when we add the 20-50 filter. And same thing at 25 meters. In general, we were very pleased with the result of the filter. I think they did some good work on picking the right amount of red and orange to make it very nice at different depths. Even the blue of the background is much nicer than when it was without the filter. So if you don't have a light, I really highly recommend the Flip 7. It's really a good addition to the GoPro and will make it much nicer underwater. Now let's talk about the problems a little bit. I had 2 main issues with the Flip 7 filter. Number 1, as you can see on this one, well, I broke a filter. And actually I thought, yeah, I'm a little bit too rough, I didn't do it properly or something. But I lent it to a friend of mine and the exact same thing happened to him. In one single dive, he broke my filter. So when I saw the backscatter video, I saw the guy with the hammer and saying that the filter was super strong. Well, I guess it's fake, you know. Yeah, of course, if you bang it like this, it will not break. But then with the filter, well, here there is a place where the filter is not as wide and it's quite easy to break it. So be very careful when you turn it and you put it in place, not to put too much tension at this part. Otherwise, well, it may break like I did mine. Another problem that I had is I was trying to use this one, the diopter, because as you've seen in my videos, I like to take macro videos and stuff. And so I tried to undo the screws here. You place it here and you try to turn and nothing happens. The problem is it's stuck in the back, and so I don't know if this is the quality of the screw or what it is, but with the aluminum in the back, well, my screws are stuck. So no way I can use this one. Very frustrating. Final thoughts. Well, I still think that the Flip 7 is a good product. Maybe I was not lucky with my filters that broke. Well, I don't think so, but still. The filters are really well made. Like I said before, the color quality is very nice and makes it very good and very helpful. The frame itself is very strong, so you won't have problem with this. I really hope they will solve the problem of those little screws that get stuck, and then that would make a very, very nice product. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, well, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, and you can also watch how I do an underwater video right there. In the future, I will also do a series on how I do a video with a GoPro. Thank you, bye bye.